problem. Bitches talking shit, bitches talking shit is not my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. My problem, that's my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. That's why I cannot confide in you. Looking within, find sanctuary in my solitude. Now I got the juice, passion fruit and guava juice. Guava juice, mango juice and guava juice. Yeah, yeah. My problem, yeah, that's just not my problem. No, no, no. My problem, no, that's just not my problem. Yeah, niggas talking shit, bitches talking shit is my problem. Not mine, not mine, no, no, no. My problem, that's my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. My problem, that's my problem. My problem, that's not my problem. When it goes around, it goes up and down, round and round. Not my problem. When it goes around, it goes up and down, round and round. Not my problem. When you're talking shit, it goes up and down, round and round. Not my problem. When it goes around, it comes back around, up and down. Not my problem. No, no.
So I found the strength to say it was harder than catching the moon. And when the words fell out, I saw the warmth in the room. So I gathered the strength to lift it, and you picked it up and laid it down, and you picked me up and I am found. It's without a cause. Sometimes it's just because I think we found